Beautiful eyes.
I have beautiful everything.
Look like a girl, but I think like a guy. Not ladylike to behave like a slime. Easy to be sleazy when you've got a filthy mind. You stick to your yogurts, I'll stick to my apple pie. Girls are not meant to fight dirty. Never look a day past 30. Not gonna bend over and curtsy for you. Is there any possibility you'll quit gossiping about me to hide your insecurities? All you say is blah blah. Girls, they never befriend me 'cause I fall asleep when they speak of all the calories they eat. All they say is na 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 na. Na 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 na. I feel I've been riding in a fast car. Burning dirty gas won't get you that far. I feel I've been riding up the wrong path, but I'm gonna make sure I get the last laugh.
Like a thing about seizures was that I never remembered them. Until somebody even the cameras never used.